Matin vagucht, agus falchtje, again lesson show. Good morning to you. Welcome to this lesson. Today we're going to take a look at the ach ending. This will only take a moment. Gleva. All right, so we have some examples from the first few story videos we've done already. And then ones from this third one about Nilfgaard and Sintra. Queen Calanthe is going to help us out here. And then we got to have Sneach. It's winter time up here in Maine. Sneach is already coming. All right, Gleva. Okay, so our first step is we got to make sure these words are clear. Otherwise, they're just noise. Kutjoch, also, or two. Drioch means drioch, magic. Gleva. And then from our Nilfgaardian takeover of Sintra, smach, control. Smach. Yeah, that's a kind of a harsh sounding word, smach. Kind of sounds like a smack. Well, I mean, in war, countries, I guess, would kind of smack each other when they take over. I don't know. Whatever helps you remember these words. That's the main thing. Whatever connection you can draw. Smach. Nilfgaard gave Sintra quite the smach when they invaded, you know, that kind of thing. Smach, control. Rioch, kingdom. Imperach, empire. Useful for you folks across the pond. Imperach, Rioch, Smach. If you haven't seen these two, they were in the intermediate version of our story video about Nilfgaard and Sintra. If you want to watch, there's a link right up here. Gleva. Okay, and then Sneach. I mean, we have to. Kind of meaner would I be not talking about Sneach. Okay, so we're looking at this ending. We're focusing in on it. Maybe you're already hearing me saying it. Maybe you're already hearing what it sounds like. Kutjoch, drioch, smach, rioch, imperach, sneach. Are you hearing a k sound? K. That's what it is. Really. So our ending is going to sound like ach, ach, ach. Kutjoch, kutjoch. If we didn't have the D, it'd be kutjoch, kutjoch. But with the D, kutjoch, kutjoch. And the D does make a difference. That k sound at the end can change the meaning of a word in a way. It can be a different word with the k on the end than without it. If that makes sense. It's not quite like other languages where you're going to start insulting people by not having the k, but the meaning of the word may change in Gaelic. Okay. Kutjoch, drioch, right? Ach. And I'm emphasizing the k. You're not going to be, speaking to someone and say k. Drioch. They might call a witcher on you. Drioch. But it is a bit softer. Drioch. 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 But it's very present. I didn't do this for a long time in my Gaelic. I wouldn't say the k. I'd say drioch, kutjoch. People always understood me. If you're not putting that k in there, people will understand you, no problem. It's just your Gaelic will be, different from other folks, from native speakers. Yeah, and we always want to be moving our Gaelic closer to that of a native speaker. Okay. Kutjoch, drioch, smach, yep, smach, rioch, imperach, yep. Ooh, a little messy there, but you get the idea. Sneach, sneach, sneach. Yeah, sneach. So it can take a little bit of work training yourself to make the k sound. It's not the most natural thing in the world. But it won't take you very long to train your muscle memory to where you actually use it without thinking. For me, it took, some conscious effort editing myself when I would speak and really paying attention to that k sound and just training myself to do it. It didn't take long at all. And I'm not a language person. I'm not some sort of language wizard. I have a decent ear. I can listen to things okay. But I'm no special wizard when it comes to languages. Gleva. So if you can do it, you know, excuse me, if I can do it, you can do it. Yeah, gleva. So here we have it, the k sound at the end of this ach, ach. And like I said, this little sound is going to make a big difference to your Gaelic. Your Gaelic will make a big step closer to that of a native speaker. Okay, gleva, I look forward to hearing your k's sometime. All right, take care. See you in the next video.